So let's do 5 passive income ideas in Ghana. So a lot of times people ask me, I'm very busy, I can't make time to run a business, I'm not a business type and those stuff. It means that for you need to do passive income. Passive income is when you put something somewhere that it's bringing you some form of revenue, sometimes very minimum revenue. Okay, it's a good thing to do. The basic one that from outward we know is acquiring shares. In Ghana might be so difficult or might seem a little bit difficult, but you can actually go to the stock exchange, the Ghana Stock Exchange, and acquire some little bit of assets, which is a passive income. It's just lying down there and then it's bringing you some little bit of value. Okay, the next one is to buy fixed deposits. So when you buy fixed deposits, you know that every 3 months, every 6 months, every 12 months, you are getting some returns on it. Then you can employ it back. It's some good passive income to invest into. It's free money, and you can look at it. Some of this might interlock with other stuff, but another thing to do is actually to create a course. When you create a course, you don't have to do it over and over again. You do it once, it's there. People pay the accesses, they pay you, they move. People pay the accesses, they move on. Okay. The next one is real estate. Real estate is one of the finest passive incomes to do, because when you buy a real estate asset and it's being rented and you are getting income, it works so well. Like, it's so fun and like it. And the last one is vlogs and blogs. So vlogs and blogs, what it does is building your portfolio. Okay, so you are building your portfolio, and then sometimes you can just put it out there. If it's money times, it can be bringing some money. Other times you can do all the other ways that people make money from vlogs and blogs. So it will be quite passive. You put a contact there to a product, people call, people supply, and they bring you back the profit. Okay, so it's also a very useful thing to do. Passively, you stay in your home and then you cash out on the stuff. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe, share with a friend. The series continues. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.